house, flat nyash, aka attention seeker. You don't see they seek attention. If flat nyash don't they seek attention, come they find trouble, they go for everywhere. Enters, there's no attention for you this period, just enters. That motivation not go help you where you where for me. So share the video, guys. We move. First and foremost, me I say today now. How many people here know that today is a Kia Queen pay show for a Kia for prick? Who knows? If you know say the entire class, let me know. If you know say the entire class, you know say today na a Kia Queen show. Let me know. Your number, please. My number is on this video. Oh, Kranugoshi, I love you too. Oh, Kranugoshi, thank you so much. God go bless you now for all the patronage I like tomorrow. I still won't go. Whether they do Ava, that's why they want to. They feel say, if I know they do Ava, whether I do Ava, I don't do. A lot of people still call. I'll still go post tomorrow. Like, I see they sell. Like this social media, not like, so one person call me. Let me quickly say that. A lot of people when they call me, they'll say, you know they do hook up. You know they do hook up. I don't do hook up. I know they hook people up. I know they do hook up. I don't. Okay. Now hook up when ODA they do freely. If you want hook up, go meet ODAK show. ODAK show do hook up. Okay? Even if you don't know a number, if you call me that one, I will give you a number. Then now I vat about other thing I mean they do here. And they talk. Some idiot will come my show, they will say, you two they talk. If you no I advertise now talking, I tell the advertise, now they talk, whether na saga or anything, you tell them you feel me? So I don't do hook up. I know they do hook up at all. That's the last thing on me. Oh, sweetie. Samuel, thank you. Thank you so much, my darling. Kranugoshi, I love you. Thank you, sweetie. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you all so much. So I don't do hook up. Now the hook up, when not here, even they help our brothers freely. Or see Bovorena. When I come and they do my pants abroad, they sell my waist and all of them wants that. Hey, now waist now you can't they share. Now waist they take on my, but I was doing it now. Just they do my thing, they go before you know. Because anybody, even if thousands they sell, yours they do your, they sell your. I know if you go enter your business. A lot of people come and they begin to say, well, how's that my business? What they concern me? I go they sell my own. Anyone when it just like, it's not like I will consider my own good pass. No, not be my own good pass. But some people just like me. They would like, I just want to patronize her. Now, so some people will still go the other one. They will still go patronize. Like, I'm not going to vex say you they sell Western because you see say they sell Western. It can't come because like, are you for real? Like the way Rita no go on be Rita ni wabwana like, but when they cry now say now so they can they do come they do. Now you want to tell people why you want to do their thing. She decided to do it free because even if for me anyway, if I want to do the hookup because it's so stressful, I would like I know do it free. Even if not small thing because it don't, but all the decide to be doing it freely because not be everybody get money. I know here at least I am you have a free like you hooky person with somebody, but that's the thing I don't do at all. I don't do hookup. I know they do not be my thing at all. I hate it with passion. I know they hook waiting. Hook waiting. Me and the find sugar daddy. You not be this social media they talk inside the find sugar daddy. I never even hook myself up with a lot of sugar. I wish I did. Why I know your pack or the why I not find sugar daddy, but like carry the sugar daddy. I they find if they say me I can't give you. Anyway, that's just that one I'm not doing anyway. But now dear they do. And if you don't get money, like if first see that she will still give you, you know, freely. She know they collect money. So if you want, I don't do. I know they do. For those some people will call me, why you know they do hook up now? Huh? Why you know they do hook up now? Give me. I know they do. You. What thing I don't do different. Some people don't even know what I'm doing. Like they say something. Whether I do have that, I don't do. I'll go post tomorrow. Because some people will still see my video. They will still call me. Whether na one or two, they will still call. Everybody they do in you. They do your own. Whether another person, people can't go meet that one still do. That's not your fucking business. On your see when be say we no gree grow jealousy everywhere. How waiting person they do can't affect you. Me and they say waist trainers. It's when I come and I waist trainer I take come and they even they laugh me say waist trainer. Other people don't come and they sell. But people say people when someone buy from me, they say they come. Whether I want or two, I no care, no problem. That's it. Not be only you go, you're there everything while moving here because nobody will fit doing it because he can't care you about. Don't buy no be on natural amogun. Now the hookup when not here they do freely, they do give people small. The one we not see get money go see meet. And over here I know they do it for the life. They will call on. If you get person, give me finish. Every time we have fear, go wayo to na every time wa wupana. Gbena pere. Now she want you die. Now she want you die put. Now every time want you die put. Now like, are you for real? She won't die. Say oh dear they do cup. Say they do and for the like. Now only people say they do. Jama first lady. Even before my sister Vera. Say start to do hookup. German first lady. Nah, that one me even know say even start at that time. Only magui, other people they do it. Come at you do your own. No, they no go no in a way. Who go like you go come your way? Who like you go come your side? That's it. And they say what I say they say even if I know they do advert because you know when you don't they do something advert may who. My video they go far. People will see oh, you go you like me. Not be saying na me get the best one. Or na me they say the best tea. Or na me they no. I just won't follow T-Boss by. They will just see finish. You go just say the other one. It won't patronize easy. Easy they say you will say they say what you say. I don't like easy. I want to patronize her. Some people said they don't just need them. They don't even need the waist trainer. There is someone. There is one when I know not be only one self. If you see her, even I believe even flat that's my own. She don't even need the waist trainer. She buy dash people because you say she want your doing. She just want to patronize me. Cause she's slim. Equero. The girl did Germany. She even dash me money join her. Say because I just like you. That's it. Not be everybody. You feel say you hate me. Like everybody hates me. No, not being. Cause different people with this. Some people your life. I just want to patronize you. Nothing more. I don't get the many. Me and up till tomorrow. So why the jealousy? Why the hate? Why the because that one you can't the one they say now. So, no, if they do your thing, they do and they go. You just be doing it. Who like you go? Who not like no problem. I have a bomb. I want buy. If you want to hook up, you not get money. Okay, she the quarter now. Esther no go and be back bon. She sir. Hi. Oh, Salome say thank you so much. Thank you. You are love. Oh, thank you, sweetie. Oh, this are not be para. He said na so she they do come na so dear can't do. Now you first start some. Are you the one that started it? Now every of our boys now get money. Is it all our boys that has money? The one we no see get they'll still go that's a mini who not can get money now because now 100 euro they collect. The one we no see get will still go there and so the life be. If you see your people don't see life partner for this Facebook for goodness sake for crying out loud. You see they or might even win here. The relationship when we not see for when we even see like no man grand not be Facebook or man win a man where Facebook. It no matter. It no matter. Even before I used to have that mentality like no, I don't feel that person when I see for Facebook. Oh, yeah, I would like I see say Facebook now. Now you know. That's why brain they grow. That's why you know. Or you do imagine like when they sitting like you can actually somebody can actually see someone on this Facebook, and it will be God sent. It will be your friend. It will be your like waiting you they look for. It will you will see how you take on. And if you see say okay, no being No be e no can work the same thing. So you see before, if you see guy for party, you see guy for club, you see guy for streets. Sometimes if you walk, sometimes if you no walk, sometimes that they introduce family go introduce. I even win now. If you walk, if you know, so now so they be. So there's no big deal about that. Anywhere you see, be proud about it. If me I see my husband for a year, I can't marry. Now a Facebook, I will come give Facebook one. As I the first sugar daddy, I define him. I will call can you on the Facebook because hey, are you kidding me? He don't can you on the Facebook. He must can you on the Facebook. Not like Sophie. Samui. Thank you, sweetie. It don't can you niya. If you know you still walk out, life goes on, life move on. Them na yan go ba na wetin come them person want them be say because that one the one can kill you. You can't do my hookup. If they do your hookup, if you don't say you really do my waist trainer since I come out for this Facebook now I carry. You know don't hear bra by. Small na Saturday they do attaché the journal small yeah I don't bye. Small if I see anyone when I see say the thing when they say they work for me. You know the year by I see drink and it good. Yeah, I drink and say if they reduce me. I'll say okay, me I see Adam, me I see introduce to my people because if you want make you know make your belly not come out, make your belly not fat. No just eat again. Where they ye right? No eat for your life again. Where they ye so that make your day, make your belly your day. Cause now every day you take the eat. Now every day we take the you know. Now control we call the control. I say I na use the weight training. I na loyalty. I na you made. You know so I have a gym. People when they go gym every day they you know they do it. You just say they all they do. Cause now everyday routine. As for your eating every day you do is everyday routine. If you not just want, you say not the when I know they use wrestling now. I don't want use tree. I don't want drink. No eat oh, I deliver. No eat. Make you dead like that. Now control those things now to control. So that now what do I very now? Make you know your con long go reach there. That's it. As now up to today, to tomorrow, whether I'm one person in if not be say I travel in a week. As even if many people they say well, in a week, some people will still come to me. They'll still come patronize me. I just want to buy from you. Not be say they don't see other people when they do. Nah, do your own and let them live and let others live. Motherfucker. Now I say they do. Me, I know they do. Not be something when I like. Not be because they say because you they do and I make me no want to do. I don't just like it. Me, I won't even hook myself up. Have I hook myself up? When I want call, you know, not be what the person get it they give. And I can't even, I don't even crack my head, join the one when I even there. I don't want to be, I no fit. I no go fit. I no like to they put my hand for so many things. He said, I don't need stress. Stress now waiting that they run for. I don't know what it go. I don't need what it go. They disturb my brain. Because yet one more good boy. Like yo call me and they think of another time. They think about yo that vaccination because I get hot temper. Yet I will even tell the woman make it not agree for you. I go tell her make it not agree. So now they pass and they go give her because if they fit. You get money, you know, not great, you know. Got me, my own way different. So make it all they do. Me make it wake up. And then I will yet. I don't go fit. I better come up for a year. Finish this saga. I call you here. Rubbish. I don't go fit. So let's live and let others live in here with Facebook. They can never mind their business. Now so they find you. They find you, they go, they find your trouble, they disturb you, they go, they don't let you do your thing. Yeah, quit the damn day. If they do your other place, they do your Besides that, now that one you felt they live before. Make this Facebook not they body. Say, I don't want come and your say na talk. Say na to they swear to they find trouble. Or say me na we waste na marry. Now I make they do my playing thing they join now. If you like, you take her to anything. I don't give a fuck. Make it not go be like say na to they find trouble. That's why some people they find trouble because you have me near. When they find trouble, they go they analyze. If anybody you do video, for it but they analyze it. I say na ko wo me. But only man me when ogun gbe ame ko kere your way. Say you come on this war for where I dey. I'm like you. I don't wear. I don't like. I good. That's it. Let every no, they don't agree. No agree. We move. Do your own. Whether ODA decide to be doing a hook up free now, she want to let that one have a way. Now she just want to let that, so no problem. Then imagine me have a way, maybe even way free. But she want to, you want your still use and take the help our, but because not everybody see get money. Some really need woman. I don't know why they not go look for work first, but no problem. You know? And you could only now because that one Cherita ni wa like be wa gun. Be na pere attention seeker. Attention seeker. On your wa bana that one she want your die pour say because so dear they do. Why can't you just face your own? Who wants to come pay? You still like you want your pay. Make you give them. Oh, have you? Now, people many for this life. You know how many people they? You know how many people did this world? Only you want your get all. Mokpa guy no logo wani buwe. The nene or like really. Also, when you bag one mokpa no wa logo wanya. Do your own, I do my own. If they come now, so people come make and they feel say they no fit they live before the Facebook. And they do my this. If people come, no problem. Why can't they do the advert? Does it mean that I was not living before the Facebook or before the selling or before anything we they do? Now he wa wubana. That's why some people you come and they'll say all of them are the same. Because now they make and they look like people won't even there Kiosa. Kiosa when people will go, a lot of people they share different things, they share the same thing. But if the one way you like, you know when you go market that and you go Benin, you go market, you won't go buy. You'll see it's enough fire, you'll see it's enough fire. Not be the one where you like you'll for buy. That's the way it is. Now the one where you like you'll for buy. Yamaka, you are born. You know say she felt they do you cup. She don't know some other person they do it before. Now you start and you the one that started it. Even the Western women they say not be me start so they say Western for the full social media. I am not the first one. So why would I want to stop you? Why would I want to come and tell you to be like, you don't know say they sell them before when you won't come Becky. Like are you mad? Iyanka you a boy. Erita no buana when you are buana la we be attention. Okay, you for not do away. Now that is motivation speaker will kill you. Motivation speaker no yan buwe. See not to if you no come at. O hama mwe return ma gbe ku we. You no fear. You curse me for your video finish because they too much TV. Me I try as much as possible. If you not call me, I will try not to call you. I wish as you want you know fit face me. You can't they say now oh dear now send me. I don't first swear and put for my YouTube when I first do things. Except say as you take talk and me when you don't curse me finish, I come meet you. You won't talk to oh dear, you know fit face am yourself. You can't face her alone. You know fit even face me talk of oh dear, you won't face. You couldn't. You they talk to oh dear, you they isn't direct, they curse me. I don't use it direct talk my video when I do. You can't go cut and did that mention your name there? No. But you know say now you right. You go carry her. If na ODA as they talk and they go, say na ODA na he send me. When because that one you come on platform, make they call they swear for your mama and your children. If maybe when the back of your Facebook now. I a quoi? Et the must be where you are rita. If he indirect, except with indirect or direct, ODA tell me, say, me. Now your video when you take cost me, now I can't respond to you put. You won't come change, you say, now Kate, now send me. Except say, na truth. Esa gena kave baby way, no be say na math. Except say na truth. Esa gena kave baby way. Oh, here your boy bury you way to boy. If na lie, Rita. Because that one you can't go they say na mama Katie moko they talk when you know say you don't we see me venning you don't call for me you know it very well you won't come transfer and say na Kate say because it will be family friend will be friend na my ODA and my sister because the Facebook now I met him what say I met him anything if not na that one I send now on your joke no guana gwewa gboni baba na fie kunle livi we no bie. No guana guerita. Eke your joke. Eke your time no na tami you were near out in ake. Like you just look me finish. Cause so that they do for this Facebook. Because as you cost me finish, I for not respond to you. Cause if I respond now, you come and say na Kate na send me. You can go to it. You make if you not like make use na man take shop rubbish. Who cares? Boy, me a bugwe ne bio. Me a bugwe ti ne imi. Rita, ugiri ogwa, uwefo. Nah, she can't turn motivational speaker. All the people when you they find in trouble for this Facebook, all the live video, no Rita the smelly body. Flat she not the enter. They fine because she not get topic. Okay, you wear me phone. She will come they do motivational because those people don't go close to them. Pray not to meet people like that. They are depressed. They are this motivational speaker. Whoever warrior, no sungu. No, na de very warita. If she don't find trouble, finish. They are looking for my attention. They are attention seeker. Why they go no war or my attention seeker? You when it be troublemaker, they find no platform Rita no they enter. No platform she not they enter. Both newcomer for this Facebook. Cause for they see her topic. No one she not they enter. She will come the easy direct they talk to you. You never, the video when she call say, I take course in Peking. The video, if Rita don't know what she do, on your mind, no, she not say she not talk to me first. The video when me do when she say, I take swear for his children, you na hear Rita name for inside. No, because she feels, say she can't feel say now, unless she's be using direct, they talk to person. I not call no, Makashuku, he must swear near way. But how come she come with all the social media people? Now she come no say na she the turtle. We that guy go you know. We move. Cause she know what she do. Onya iton na. Ona wo die lo. Oh die na Kate na sena. If say I talk to me, I talk to your mama. You guys say where you know ni. I go blast you. Say na Kate na we send me. If no be case send me Esa gi amyo boya kave gbe we Rita. Wa amyo boya bury you we to boy. Say na truth. Waga iwe nu wa ofo ne wa do ata we na person say na. Na person say na but the time when they cause the person. No be person say you. Or na person say you say make you they cause me. Okay, ya gele we no leki ata mo we tamu we do atie boni me. Why couldn't you talk to Kate if you want to talk to her and say una won't meet? You say you won't face and you couldn't. Cause you need to add me inside. Now so she celebrate me. Now so she say man. Now so she wish me happy birthday. She even wish happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yahweh me abi ogun boy. You wish me happy birthday and so fucking what? Because that one you call they cost me. And besides that, I not thank now when he celebrate me. I really do appreciate it. I not thank everybody when he celebrate me. Must you use that to insult me because you say you wish me everybody go where? No worry about born na ye wishes yawo we me. They no gbodion na gbu rita. Agbodion gbu e. You know where you know go respect yourself. What rubbish. No say you get many things when you the verse for ODF for. Say ODF is where my hookup oh now who then a tata form well like Facebook or CA because if they do something you really know what you carry coin they do. You know go fit deviate. Me always say that's why the mega be what VAT. Even if I not do VAT, people will still call me, still order. Even if I not do SAG and I not do VAT, that the MIA call the order, they'll still call me, place the order, whether T or anything when they know and I do they say. Now make I put my number there. My number is there, my people. Place the order for your waist trainer and tea. We do eat every day, right? So let's be controlling it. Yes. You know sabi we ma go you win rom well like Facebook or see who copy who to eba we ya go because my words still remain and it remain. I don't want to be my first when I take comment. It remain and it remains. Whether I do have a finish or person come in not come me or now I not say tomorrow or next tomorrow make I not say come do have that. Iye we Oni ma we is azara la wa gbe ni edo mogun we say if you near me ni edo blast we o that why you know na wa Oni ma wu wa sikeni ni edo gbo ho you hun you know me no you know I have that you to I have you to ma me ni we a customer re a customer yere but igele ma we pe bu ma we wo who got so however that still buzz ka wo my way no not find trouble because you know they fine. Why will you be looking for my trouble when why you go insult me first when I don't insult you? So me tell they want talk it not do bad now when they call you small picking. Well done when now done when make you try no I'll give